Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. Crypto Shakil official channel. I am Shakil Akhtar Yusuf Zaid. Today video EDU Open Campus price prediction update forecast. Last 24 hours 20% pump rise. Open Campus technical indicator. Current sentiment is bullish. Fear and greed index 50 neutral. 42% green days last 35 days. 24 hours trading volume 344.43 million, market cap 170.68 million, and market dominance 0.03%. Open campus next week forecast. Price value up 18% and reach 1.434357. Open campus price against US dollar has increased 28%, against Ethereum 35% up, and against Bitcoin open campus up 38% up in the same period. Open campus for cryptocurrency trading exchanges including Binance and Get.io. Support level 1.12 6750, 0.979052 and 0.885875. Resistant level 1.367508, 1.458792 and 1.607291. Open campus current price prediction sentiment is bullish. 13 technical analysis indicator signaling is bullish, and 2 signal is bearish signal. It means the majority of technical indicator is bullish. It means now a good time to buy EDU Open Campus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos update. Goodbye.